Say hi. What are we doing?
We're going to the beach.
We are?
We're going to Walmart first and Casey.
Yeah, we are. Then we're going to go on the boat and go out on the beach.
Yay.
It's going to be fun, huh? Your first time. Say woo! Alright, say hi, Mom.
Hi.
What do you think, kiddo? You ready to go out on the boat for your first time?
Yep. Yes, I'm so excited.
You're so excited?
Yeah.
Putting in it for Donia here. Gonna go find a sandbar for this little one to play on. You want to say hi?
Hi.
There. And then Mommy's right by you. Yeah, Mommy will feel safer. She's going right there.
Your first boat ride. Wow.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
That's happy.
We're going to the mall.
I think we found our beach.
I feel very...
So this little one can go play and build some sandcastles.
Yeah, big.
Turned out to be a great day with the family. This little one's playing sandcastles, pulling in the water. Beautiful wife and mother enjoying our day. Alright, let's see him. Dad got the first one. Little guy. Hey, fish for fish. We've been here 5 minutes.
What are you doing?
Alright, what's up?
Are you filling your moat?
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Guys, the water just disappearing when I do that.
Yeah, the sand absorbs it.
There goes the train across the road.
Ooh, the train.
Diana, look. The
Over
train's
where
going
we?
over the bridge we went under.
Metal detected and found all that shit. So what are we doing now?
Exploring.
We're gonna explore the island?
Yeah, after I get the snake under the sand.
Oh, okay.
Now we can.
You gonna make it?
Oh,
Oh no.
I'll just skip.
I'm surprised Mom's still on. Alright, we're gonna take a picture.
Yeah.
Is Grandpa gonna teach you how to fish? Huh? You gonna fish? You can come over with Dad. You got it? You videoing?
I'm videoing.
That's a nice one, baby. Get him up on the river, up on the shore. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Oh yeah, keep reeling.
Wow.
Keep reeling.
Oh man, he must be heavy.
Yeah, he's heavy, huh? Keep pulling. Keep pulling.
We got one.
We got one.
Yay!
Yeah. Oh,
Can you get up?
All right, her first time.
Alright. Here's how we go. You push this forward. Go forward.
Stay over toward this way.
Yep, you gotta stay over here.
There's a big sandbar.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay, yep, we don't need to go any faster right now. Bird attack!
Just look behind us.
Yeah.